Are you having difficulty sleeping? Don't worry. You are at the right place. According to research done by the National Sleep Foundation, 43% of Americans are facing the problem of sleep disorders. This problem is widespread among working men and women and occurs mainly due to high stress and anxiety. It is also referred to as insomnia. There are several medications available in the drugstore which can provide temporary relief from this problem, but people are still unsatisfied. These sleeping medications not only damage your brain functionality but also makes you an addict of the sleeping pills. Sleep disorder is common among women as compared to men. According to medical science, women use more brainpower as compared to men. That's why problems like anxiety, depression, insomnia are more common among women. This problem can be easily cured through natural homemade remedies. Let's check out some natural ways which can help you sleep well at night. If you are having a problem sleeping at night, olive oil can help you have a good night's sleep. Before going to bed, rub some olive oil on your feet in the sole area. Do a gentle massage. It will make you feel relaxed and triggers the sleep. Cherries are perfect for your health and also work as a natural sleep aid. Cherries contain a special ingredient called tryptophan, an essential amino acid that converts into serotonin. It is then converted into melatonin. Melatonin helps in maintaining your sleep cycle and causes drowsiness, which helps in sleeping. Valerian is a flowering plant that helps in sleeping is also an excellent remedy for insomnia. This flower improves deep sleep and maintains the sleep cycle. You can make valerian root tea and drink before going to bed. If you purchase dried valerian root, you can use it to steep your own herbal tea. Add 1 teaspoon of the valerian root in a cup and add hot water. Allow the tea to steep for at least 5 minutes before drinking. Always read the instructions on the packaging carefully. If a recommended dose is mentioned on the package, always follow the instructions, unless your doctor recommends a different dose. Research has shown that the scent of lavender eases stress and anxiety and also prevents insomnia. Before going to bed, spray some lavender on your pillow or buy a lavender-filled pillow. You can even sniff some lavender oil. Another way to use lavender oil is, sprinkle a few drops on the tissue paper and tuck it under your pillow. The soothing scent will help you in sleeping well. Among all the sleep aids, chamomile is the most popular. In the United States, many people use this remedy to cure their sleeping problems. It is regarded as a mild tranquilizer and sleep inducer. You can use this herb in the form of tea. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of chamomile flowers in the cup of water and boil it until the color of the water changes. When the color is changed, you can smell the aroma, which means it is ready. Just strain into the cup and add some honey for taste. Drinking milk before going to bed is very common in Middle Eastern countries. Small kids are trained to drink a glass of warm milk before going to bed. In the US, the ratio is very low. That's why people face sleep problems. Drink a glass of warm milk before going to bed. Catnip is a herb that belongs to the mint family. Catnip works as marijuana or LSD for cats, but it has some great benefits on humans. Catnip tea is beneficial in sleeping well. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried catnip in 8 ounces of boiling water. Steep it for 10 minutes and pour it in a cup. Add some honey for taste. Drink this tea 30 minutes before going to bed. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more tips on health and fitness.